Hey guys, Cyan here, and today I'm going to roast Reza Artista for the first time ever. Okay, let's start with this, shall we? First of all, that's not Reza Artista Productions, that's Disney Productions.
Mom!
First of all, where's Bluey's original parents? They fucking replaced us.
Nonsense.
That's not nonsense, that's perfection.
Dad,
Go kill yourself.
I
Friend, shut up your smelling mouth.
Shut up. I swear to God, shut up, Meg.
Bingo!
Bingo. That's going well. Yay.
Bluey!
My friend, get down
I swear to
from
God.
there. Who do you think you are? Spider-Man?
Good job, you ruined the title.
Hey, congratulations.
Congratulations, you stupid idiot. You broke the title.
Will you keep quiet?
No.
This episode of Bluey is cool.
It's called what? Bluey,
Shut the F up.
who employed you as episode announcer?
It's Disney, you
Try it
idiot.
again and I will rename this show Bluey and the Beating of a Lifetime.
No, I'll name it Bluey's Good Day. Bluey's Perfection.
Idiot.
It's not idiot, you stupid homophobe. That's going original. Yeah, that's funny.
Bluey, Bing Bong, what in the
That's not Bing Bong, that's Bingo. You forgot his name again.
hearing loss is going on in here? Are you trying to summon demons?
Yes, because you want to burn in hell.
If I hear one more squeaky squeaky, I will beatsy and deflate that balloon and your happiness along with it. Try me.
I swear to God, if you say this one more time, I'll say a roasting thing.
Nonsense. Noisemakers.
Yes, you got this. Oh shit. That's it.
No dicks, no balls, and probably no
This is for you.
Feeds on radiation. Beloved, we are gathered
Why are you using BFDI mount? This is not like BFDR or anything.
here today to celebrate the life of Bluey and Bingo Gila, who they were disobedient up until the moment that they died,
Bluey and Bingo are innocent.
making noise, screeching, halting, shouting. May their souls rest in paradise.
It's rest in peace, and this guy is not even related.
Will you keep quiet?
Shut up, Meg!
Bluey.
Let's see. 2 minutes? Oh my God, this is terrible.
Bingo, come here. I want to show you guys something.
It's Keepy Uppy! Woo!
It's
This
a
episode
balloon.
of Bluey is called Keepy Uppy.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's called Keep Quiet.
It's called Shut the Fuck.
Nonsense.
No, it's not!
What's Keepy Uppy?
I agree with Taco. This is actually nonsense.
You have to keep the balloon in the air and can't let it touch the ground. What happens if it touches the ground?
If that balloon touches the ground, I'll pop you and you'll be grounded.
If you say that one more again, I will roast you for the entire laugh.
Try me.
Well then.
Bingo, quick! Yeah!
Oh shit.
Mamma mia.
It's not that. It's Mamma Mia.
Who has
I'm an
broken something in
Italianos.
this house? Bluey, Bingo. If you've broken my dish, I will break you.
Yeah, I'm not showing this.
But
Is this my living room or a dumping ground? Hey! This episode of Bluey is called Go and Fetch My Belt.
Go and fuck my app. Oh, I didn't mean to say it. This episode is called Cyan Kills Raisa's Tista. That's better.
Like and comment for part 2 because these children will not make it here alive. Idiots.
Nope.
Bluey, Bingo,
Well,
come
that's
and eat.
Let them chill. Dude,
I said Bluey, Bingo, come inside and eat.
just let them chill.
Turn my backyard into a public toilet. Okay, you see that security camera up there? If one of you do not admit who has poo-pooed on my lawn like some kind of useless dog,
This is stupid.
I will find the evidence on the camera, and when I see who did it, okay, let me threaten you in silence.
No dick, no balls,
This is better.
probably no butthole since this guy feeds on radiation.
In fact, let me call somebody to come and help me. Dora! Dora!
No, don't.
Come! I need your help to come and do something.
Hola, soy Dora.
You're not in that universe.
You know who poops in the backyard?
It's Binger. None of them.
It was nice knowing you. Bye.
That's not related. That's Peppa's cry.
Will you keep quiet?
You ruined my
I told you
childhood.
I had evidence on the camera. Look at her. Look at how she's squeezing it out. Oh my goodness. I'm so embarrassed. I'm so embarrassed.
It's embarrassed, you idiot. Also, Reza T-Star, if you're watching this, I will hate you in the entire life. Until 2026, you'll be executed. Anyways, roasting is off. Bye.